guys, it is Tanya, and today we are going to finish off our adventure with Paper and Petal, right? So in the last video we made this cute little folio, right? Can you see it? And it just opens up and we have things in the pockets. Already put some of the ephemera in the pocket. This collection, it comes with so many cut aparts so that you're able to use all the ephemera for your pockets and things. So it makes it really, really easy, right? And so I added a photo corner on the back, and then when you flip it down, you just have your envelopes right here, and then you have a belly band. I did not put anything in these, and that is okay. And then we have this right here. Now, I told you we were going to assemble this on the cover, right, or on the bigger one. So what I did was I took one of these pieces that she has in the kit, and I just measured it to fit the back part of our folio cover. So this is the back. And I added some, I think these are 1-inch little strips, and just round the corners and glued it on the back, and it's going to go like this. Okay, and we're going to put Velcro right there. So we're going to glue this down as a pocket, and this should be easy. And then I'm just going to fill everything up with all the ephemera that I have cut out. And there's sheets upon sheets of ephemera, so you will not be lost for ephemera in this collection. You're going to have something to fill every pocket, every tuck spot, every little space that you want. So that is really good. So you see how that works, like that, right? Going to make sure that is all the way dry before we actually add this, but I'm just going to show you how it's going to go. This is how it's going to go, just like that. And you know what? I might want to flip it over this way so that, yeah, okay. I like that better, right? I like that better. That's cute. Okay, and then we're going to add maybe, I don't know, one of these little things like this. We're going to ink it up, add one of those little things like that. Or we might add a rectangle one, maybe something like that. So I'll show you what I have after this dries and I put stuff in everything, okay? Okay, so this is what we have. So in this part of the folio, we just added some journaling cards. I glued this little label on. I didn't put any glue on the back, just kind of glued it on there right there. Didn't add anything in the envelope. Then we have this envelope, and we just have a piece of the ephemera paper clip to it. And I didn't add anything on the back. And then we have our little pad, of course. And then over here, I'm going to take this one out. We have a journaling card, and then flip it up. We have another journaling card. Then we have our pocket right here, and we have some journaling cards and a little bit of ephemera sheet. And then right here, we have a journaling card. We have some tags in here, tags in here. When I was filling this up, I didn't realize how many pockets and tuck spots I put in here, right? I just cut one of the tags to fit right here. In the collection, there are narrow, slim tags, but I just wanted to use this color. I stuffed some ephemera in this one. There is nothing right here. Ephemera, and then we have our envelope right there, right? And then on the back, we just have a journaling card, and this goes right here. You know that, right? Okay, so now let's close this up so we can see it all together. Okay, we're going to close it with one of the index clips that I have. Just have it laying around, and we're going to slide that back in here like that. Perfect, right? And I'm going to close this up like this, right? We're going to add this one on the cover, and I did fill this up too, right? So we just have some journaling cards in there, and that's like that. And then we have a journaling card on the back, so that goes on the cover like this. Then we're going to flip this over, right? And we're going to put this one right here and there like this, I think. And I already showed you guys this one. This one is all filled up. Has stuff in the inside already, right? And it folds over like this. And then it's going to go like this. I do need we're going to put the Velcro right here, right? And I just always put them together when I put them on. It's easier for me that way. Move this out the way. Put some right there. And then we're gonna pull it down just a little bit so it can close this part, right? And we're gonna do it like that. It looks so cute. Doesn't it look so cute and chunky, right? And if you need some more, because it closes pretty good, but if you need a little extra to close it, add you a bulldog clip, right? I hope I gave you guys some ideas. I loved how it turned out. I think it turned out so cool and chunky and just grungy. It looks amazing. And I had so much fun working with you guys. I hope you go and check out the Paper and Petal kit. And bye.